Hit that skip button if you love paying taxes. If you want to pay more of your income tax to Uncle Sam, then hit that skip button because you won't want to hear what's about to happen next. What I've done is I've actually devised a webinar where I actually give some tremendous value. Okay, I've been a small business owner for 17 years. There's just a tremendous amount of opportunities and overlooked deductions that I wasn't taking myself. So just last year, I calculated that I saved myself $45,106.11 in missed deductions, okay, just from the last calendar year. And I'm gonna show you what I did to do that without spending a lot of time, without spending a lot of money, without hiring a whole legal team. It's very, very simple. So I'm gonna give you some actionable advice, okay? This is very important if you're an entrepreneur, particularly if you're a small business owner maybe and you don't have separate bank accounts. Follow the advice that I have in this webinar. If you just wanna know a little bit more about taxes and how you can keep more of your money for yourself, then you're gonna get a tremendous amount of value of this webinar. I am super excited for you to be on this webinar. I know it's gonna have a big impact on your life, and I wanna help save entrepreneurs a ton of money. So this is specifically for people that are in Canada and the US. If you're outside Canada and the US, you will still get some value from it, but you might not get as much value as those from Canada and the US. Me, myself, I've been in business as an entrepreneur for over 17 years, and I primarily do internet marketing, and I do marketing for local businesses both here in Canada and in the United States. And I have a tremendous amount of knowledge that I've been able to draw from. But what I found is, people just don't talk about taxes. They don't talk about tax deductions. They don't know how to deduct things that maybe you're already paying for anyhow, but it could be a valid tax deduction. We're gonna talk about that on this webinar, so I think you're gonna get a tremendous amount of value from it. I hope to see you on the webinar, and I know that you're going to save a whole bunch of money, keep more of that money in your pocket rather than paying it for taxes. I think you're gonna get a tremendous amount of value on it. So we'll see you on the webinar. Just click on the link, you'll go to a page, and you'll be able to register for this webinar. Now this webinar is free. I'm not charging anything for it because I just want to give a lot of value to fellow entrepreneurs. So click on the link here, go to the webinar page, register for the webinar. It's free. I think you're going to get a tremendous amount of value from it. If you have any questions, of course, you can reach out to me. But by all means, what you want to do right now before this video ends is click on that link and go over and register for this webinar, okay? You're gonna be paying taxes for the rest of your life, and what you learn on this webinar could save you easily thousands of dollars every year from now until when you die. This is a webinar that you absolutely have to be on. I'm really excited to share it with you. Click on that link. Let's get over to that webinar right now. I think you're gonna love it, and I will see you on the webinar. So click that link, we'll see you on the webinar.